beginning of 2018, Statistics Indonesia designed a new method for Indonesian population census by combining traditional canvassing and population register data managed by Ministry of Home Affairs. We prepared risk mitigation for all aspects to identify some problems you may face in the field, even the worst ones. We also gained support from several public figures to increase publicity. But we did not prepare for the pandemic. On March 2020, World Health Organization or WHO stated COVID-19 as pandemic. At that time, online census was already taking place and supposed to be ended by March 31st. Indonesian government responded WHO by extending the special emergency case for the pandemic.
Pemerintah telah menetapkan COVID-19 sebagai jenis penyakit dengan faktor risiko yang menimbulkan kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat. Dan oleh karenanya, pemerintah menetapkan status kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat.
Hence, we responded by extending the online census period to May 29th. Handling the COVID-19 has caused a budget cut for government offices, including 74% cut in census budget from $299 million to $74 million. Or in other words, the budget went from $11 per capita to $0.28 per capita. We had to come up with a new plan. We had to design a new machine that can take us to our initial destination with much less gasoline. Initially, we have 3 stages for field data collection. First, population register verification, where a census taker checks on population register list with the head of neighborhood area to ensure that everyone living in the area has already listed. When the first job is done, we move to second stage, which is door-to-door verification. The third stage is individual enumeration, face-to-face interview for those who have not participated in the online census. Due to budget constraints, we decided to strengthen the first 2 phases, where our main strength lies. As for the third stage, we are unable to do our initial face-to-face interview using CAPI or PAPI due to the budget limitation. We decided to use document drop-off and pickup or DOPU instead, where on the field verification stage, our census takers will also drop the questionnaire for those who did not participate on the online census. The challenge here was to design an even simpler form that is easy to be understood. We decided to simplify the code used in the questionnaire. We realized the population census data is very important for shaping the future of Indonesia. So, taking all the challenges with us, we commit to produce an accurate and reliable population data.